This video will cover beginner part 2 questions regarding the topic of geometric sequences and series. This is the first question. It's the May 2004 HL Paper 1 question. The three terms A, 1, and B are in arithmetic sequence. So term 2 minus term 1 equals term 3 minus term 2. Then 2 equals A plus B. The three terms 1, A, and B are in geometric sequence. Then term 2 over term 1 equals term 3 over term 2. Then cross multiply. A squared equals B. So 2 equals A plus B means A squared. Then A squared plus A minus 2 equals 0. Then we can factor A plus 2 times A minus 1 equals 0. So A equals minus 2 or 1. First case, if A equals minus 2, then B equals 4. If A equals 1, then B equals 1. It's not working because A cannot be B. Therefore, answer is A equals minus 2, B equals 4. This is the May 2005 HL Paper 1 question. Sn equals 4n squared minus 2n. So S1 equals 4 times 1 squared minus 2 times 1, which is 2. So U1 equals 2. S2 equals 4 times 2 squared minus 2 times 2 equals 16 minus 4, which is 12. U1 plus U2 equals S2. So U1 equals 2 plus U2 equals S2, which is 12. So U2 equals 10. With these two, common difference D equals U2 minus U1. So D equals 8. The general form UN equals U1 plus N minus 1D. So U32 equals U1, which is 2 plus 32 minus 1, 31 times 8. The answer is 250. Three terms of this sequence, U2, UM, and U32 are consecutive terms in a geometric sequence. So UM over U2 equals U32 over UM. Then cross multiply. UM squared equals U2 times U32. U2 equals 10 times U32 equals 250 equals 2500. So UM equals 50 or minus 50. But it's not possible because D is positive. U1 plus M minus 1D equals 50. U1 equals 2 plus M minus 1 times D is 8 equals 50. Then M minus 1 times 8 equals 48. Then divide by 8 on each side. M minus 1 equals 6. So M equals 7. This is the May 2013 HL Paper 1 question. For the first series, A over 1 minus R equals 76. For the second series, A over 1 minus R cubed equals 36. Use the formula A cubed minus B cubed equals A minus B times A squared plus AB plus B squared. So A over 1 minus r times 1 plus r squared equals 36. We can rewrite as a over 1 minus r times 1 over 1 plus r squared equals 36. Then a over 1 minus r equals 76. So 76 times 1 over 1 plus r squared equals 36. Then divide by 76 on each side. 1 over 1 plus r cubed equals 36 over 76, which is 9 over 19. Cross multiply. 9 plus 9r plus 9r squared equals 19. Then 9r squared plus 9r minus 10 equals 0. Use the cross method. 3r times 3r equals 9r squared. Minus 2 times 5 equals minus 10. Then 3r times minus 2 make minus 6r. 3r times 5 equals 15r. Combine together 9r, which is the middle term. We can factor 3r minus 2 times 3r plus 5 equals 0. So r equals 2 over 3 or minus 5 over 3. But it's not possible. An infinite geometric series has a finite sum only if r is between minus 1 and 1. But minus 5 over 3 is less than minus 1. So final answer, r equals 2 over 3. This is the May 2012 paper 1 studies question. Number 15. U1 equals 1.5. The common ratio D equals 1.1. Number A. U2 equals U1 times R. So U1 equals 1.5 times R equals 1.1, which is 1.65 kilometers. Number B. Formula Sn equals U1 times R to the power of n minus 1 over R minus 1. So S7 equals 1.5 times 1.1 to the power of 7 minus 1 over 1.1 minus 1, which is 14.2 kilometers. Number C. Sn is greater than 100. So 1.5 times 1.1 to the power of n minus 1 over 1.1 minus 1 is greater than 100. Use your calculator. N is greater than 21.371. Therefore, n equals 22. This is the May 1998 HL Paper 1 question. Number 7a. U1 equals 2, U2 equals 6, and UN equals 58. The common difference D equals U2 minus U1. So 6 minus 2, which is 4. The formula UN equals U1 plus n minus 1 times D. So 58 equals 2 plus n minus 1 times 4. Then move 2 to the left. And 56 equals n minus 1 times 4. Then divide by 4 on each side. 14 equals n minus 1. So n equals 15. Number B. U1 equals 2. R equals 1 over 2. Then n equals 15. We just found it. The formula Sn equals U1 times 1 minus R to the power of n over 1 minus R. As 15 equals 2 times 1 minus 1 over 2 to the power of 15 over 1 minus 1 over 2 equals 4 times 1 minus 1 over 2 to the power of 15 equals 32,767 over 8,192. This is the last one. It is the May 2017 HL Paper 1 question, number 3A. The first term equals 9. The fourth term equals U1 plus 3D equals 9 plus 3D. And U8 equals U1 plus 7D equals 9 plus 7D. So 9 plus 3D, and 9 plus 7D are the first three terms of the geometric sequence. So second term over first term equals third term over second term. Cross multiply 9 plus 3D times 9 plus 3D equals 9 times 9 plus 7D. 81 plus 27D plus 27D plus 9D squared equals 81 plus 63D. Cancelled. Then 9D squared minus 9D equals 0. We can factor 9D times D minus 1 equals 0. So D equals 0 or 1. But 0 is not the answer because D cannot be 0. So final answer D equals 1. Number B, U1 equals 9. U4 equals 9 plus 7D, which is 16. The common ratio R equals second term over first term, which is 4 over 3. So R equals 4 over 3. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in a comment below, and I will address them in a future video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.